Hey creators, welcome to Pixinshop channel. Today we are diving into Adobe Premiere Pro to create a mind-blowing Inception effect. Hit subscribe and let's make some cinematic magic. So we are back in the interface of Adobe Premiere Pro. So firstly import the video on which you want an Inception effect. And if you want this particular video for practice, the link is in the description, you can check it out. And if you want to align this in the center, click on this plus icon and enable the save margin to see the exact middle line. Now select the layer and align the position of it. Now make a duplicate of the video by pressing Alt and drag it above and change the rotation value to 180 degree. Now adjust position to bring it in the top. Now go to opacity and select polygon mask tool. Click on this invert option and create a mask in the middle. Change the file to around 45. Right click the top layer, click on speed and duration, check the reverse speed option and click OK. And now if you play this video, you can see our Inception effect has been applied. If you want to flip the video, go to effects and search for horizontal flip and just drag and drop that effect to your timeline. But we don't want this effect, so we'll press Ctrl Z. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, comment below and subscribe for more filmmaking tips. If you want to learn text animation and motion graphics, the link is here, you can check it out. Keep dreaming big and keep editing bigger. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep creating and make your amazing effects.